guys, this is the Murphy building, and you have a place that lifts. Should be completely replaced.
Yeah.
But yeah, they used to be able to sell it. And now they're they're being replaced by KONE. So yeah, let's take a look. Going up? Oh, okay. So yeah, now these are KONE. So yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, I remember TV to the railways filmed in. And they've got the same doors like the one like the Hunter and like the Student Association building, because they replaced the lifts with this same lift as well. We're at 11, we're not going to get out here because it's gonna got that glitch for like 1 and 2 either. And you'll end it on 1 because I was filming as I was heading out. And dude, this is like another installment of like, that's interesting. Indicator used to be there, now it's here. That's nice. And it's got KONE motors, so that's nice as well. We have the first floor.
Let's stop at level 1. Counting right.
Okay, yeah, maybe somebody looks like that. For announcements, so that's nice. And yeah, there's like key switches, there's another lift. And there goes this lift, and